Alright guys, back into the video today. I'm with Robert. And we got Joe over here and Eric over here. And we're gonna do a pack opening. We're gonna have 8 packs because I didn't expect to do a pack opening today, but we're still gonna do it. So Robert's gonna open the packs. So pro packs first.
Can I open too?
You wish.
I was about to say.
What are you doing?
Sometimes it says, bro. You gotta respect the sets.
No one's a set.
Everybody is it.
I don't.
Even my elites.
I leave them there so I can sell them. 71, come on.
Ooh, we got a
71.
59 overall. Not bad, no kidding.
Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be uploading some Friday the 13th videos soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, back to Robert with the packs. 71, come on now. And then the signature pack.
Oh my god.
Bro, you're kicking and you have shoes, man.
Alright, signature boomer bust.
Alright now, open the 95 to 99.
Oh, bro, I swear.
You better pull a 99, bro.
Imagine both of them.
Oh, Lord.
Oh!
Again, the 99
Oh my
Jason
God.
Williams.
These
We
are-
put that one on the last one. Alright, go. Open it.
These packs are nasty.
Alright, if you pull another 99.
I swear.
Robert with the 299 pulls.
Oh!
God, again.
Oh my god, this
I can
is.
see the reflection.
Bro.
He's
Alright.
like, you can see his head.
Bro, double elite, bro. What do you have to say, Robert?
Double 99.
I am the pack god. No argument needed.
Mommy!
I'm just another dragon. Dragon berries, but it look like Mary. Scream a name like Jerry. I can fight that weed in the mouth like that. To the bitch from Rio. And she is